Hi, Stephen. I'd love you to introduce yourself and tell people who you are and what you do. And you are the Cran Man, so everyone can get a good idea of what you're passionate about.
Well, Andrea, I work with Fridor. They are an organic cranberry company out of Canada, and I work with them as a consultant. What I do is I help companies formulate and create products and take the by-waste of the skins and the seeds of the materials and turn them into value-added products.
Well, I find that interesting. So what you're saying is, so for example, cranberries. You take the juice out, and then once the juice is out, you're left with
Yeah,
this
we're
product.
left with the pulp.
And then what you do is you use the pulp in different things.
Yes.
So talk a little bit more about the waste products and how you're using it. So it's like a zero waste facility kind of thing, zero waste company.
Yeah, what we're trying to do is take all the components found, whether it's in cranberries or blueberries. Once they extract out the juice, we take the skins and the seeds, and then we separate the skins from the seeds, and we cold press out the seeds to get the oil. And then we have the skins that are left over,
Right.
along with the meal of the seed, and then we combine that together. And there's still a little bit of juice remaining because we can't get all the juice out in the extraction process. And this extraction process is not, no chemicals, no additives. It's clean, it's pure, it's a cold pressing, we call it, under low temperatures. And so we get the oil out, and then we take the meal that's left over, and then we create that into a powder which goes into capsules or smoothies.
I like that because you're pretty much using all parts of the fruit.
Yes, this is where the zero waste comes in. So what we're trying to do is to be able to take all the components and find value in those components for research and science. And with respect to the cranberry, we're trying to go beyond UTI, which we all know cranberry is known for
Right,
that.
good for
But that's
urinary
more of the
tract.
juice. But nobody
Yeah.
really knows the role that the cranberry plays in terms of gut health or oral care. There's a lot of other benefits that the cranberry has that we're still in the first inning learning all about cranberry.